In this video, we will be going over the anatomy and function of the most common types of glial cells. So starting off with astrocytes, they are star-shaped cells found throughout the brain and spinal cord. Their function is to support neurons, maintain the blood-brain barrier, provide nutrients, and regulate the extracellular ionic and chemical environment. Next up, we have microglia, which are small, mobile cells scattered throughout the central nervous system, and they act as the brain's immune cells by phagocytizing pathogens and debris and mediating inflammatory responses. Now we have oligodendrocytes, which are cells located in the central nervous system that wrap around axons. They produce the myelin sheath in the central nervous system, which insulates axons and speeds up electrical signal transmission. Next, for Schwann cells, they are cells located in the peripheral nervous system that wrap around axons, and they, similar to oligodendrocytes, also produce the myelin sheath in the peripheral nervous system, support nerve regeneration, and facilitate rapid signal transmission. So an important thing to keep in mind is that while both oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells produce the myelin sheath, the oligodendrocytes relate to the central nervous system, whereas Schwann cells are related to the peripheral nervous system. Furthermore, we have ependymal cells, which are epithelial-like cells lining the ventricles of the brain and the central canal of the spinal cord, and they produce and circulate cerebrospinal fluid, also abbreviated as CSF. And lastly, we have satellite cells, which are cells surrounding neuron cell bodies within ganglia in the peripheral nervous system. And they provide structural support and regulate the exchange of materials between neuronal cell bodies and their environment.